Hello everybody, this is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations, and I have another flip through for you of a coloring book that is on my shelf as I'm going through my coloring book collection. I figured I would do flip throughs of some of the coloring books that I have. So this is another one by the artist Hikaru Kotz. And this one is called Cutie and Spookie coloring book. And we will get into this one for you. And again, it has a test color page in the front. It is by Amazon. So it is on Amazon paper. This one has the black background, so I would suggest not using alcohol markers on this. I would say you probably could use any type of water-based pen or marker on it, but I would of course use the test color page to make sure that it doesn't bleed. But again, you have the black background, so it is only one-sided. But I would always make sure that you have something, if you're going to color in the book, to actually use that it doesn't transfer over onto the next page. My suggestion always is to use something of a heavy material or heavy cardstock. I use the Dollar Tree plastic cutting mats. That's what I use, and if it's too big, I usually will cut it down. But we will get into this and we will show you what pictures we have here. So we have this cute furry guy, and then we have like a skull up in the clouds and like little ghosts. We have the pumpkin has an eyeball in it, and we have eyes. That's really funny. I think this was a book from 2023. But of course, like I said, I will put my affiliate link down below in the description box if you're interested in this. He's eating the pumpkin. Well, he's a happy guy. Big furry guy. Well, she's cute. Oh, she's definitely not creepy. You could make her creepy if you really wanted to. So he's in a jar. So he's a bat. I like his hat. Kind of looks like a scarecrow. That's cute. Oh, I like him. He's got his walking stick. Trying to think of what colors I would use on him. Oh, oh. Oh, he's got the, it reminds me of Gremlins, the tuft of hair. And then you've got the girls from like The Shining. It's just like The Shining. Yeah, they kind of remind me of like gremlin type creatures. Now that kind of reminds me of a mixture of leprechaun and something else, and I can't think of what it is, but kind of reminds me of leprechaun. I don't know why. Maybe it's the hat. And for some reason, that reminds me of, you know, those solar powered lights that we put outside. Looks like that's what he's holding. Oh, see, this would be like one of the first things I would probably color in here, because I love doing houses and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, she's pretty. Again, I have this thing. I have to practice. I'm intimidated by skin because I'm not very good at skin yet, but I have to practice. Oh, so we have, it looks like she's a cat. Oh, she's cute. Oh, and then we have a ghostie. That could be really cute. Oh, she's cute. I'm not sure. To me, that kind of looks like a fishing lure somewhat. And then we have another furry guy here. He's kind of creepy but cute. These things are definitely creepy. It looks like a piranha head. Definitely cute, but creepy. More cute though. Oh, she's cute. And I love that the house is in the background. Oh, I like that. Oh, we've got our skeleton. We have a Mr. Skeleton in here. I don't know what he's holding. Is that part of a vertebrae? Or is that teeth? I'm not really sure. Oh wait, here, it's part of this. Or is that part of a tentacle? Could be part of a tentacle. Oh, and then we have a cute little cat. See, this reminds me of Jasmine Beckett's Griffith. Of course, a different styling, but with holding the bear. So I like that. And then you've got, it looks like a teddy bear, kind of, and it looks like he's got a band-aid on his head. Again, this reminds me of Leprechaun for some oddball reason. I don't know. I think it's the hat. She's cute. Oh, I got 2 pages again. Oh, I have an idea for him or her. To me, that looks like flames. I would do like flaming hair. That's what that reminds me of. That's pretty cool. Oh, I like that with the skulls. And he looks like he's sitting on something. Can't really make that out. Oh, he's kind of cute. So he looks like he's a bat. Oh, we have another little girl. I like to me it looks like a kind of like a clownish type of costume. Oh, we have another cat. We have another ghost. Oh, he's cute. Creepy but cute. And then we have like a specter hovering. And then we have a clown. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's pretty cool. Doing a bit of gardening. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. Like a clown magician type deal? I don't know. Looks like he's got one toe. That's cool. I'm thinking that's an eye. There's so many ways you could take these pictures too. You don't have to color them as is. If you wanted to, you could always add stuff to them. And then that's it. So that is the artist Hikaru Kotz. And here is the ISBN number if you're interested. And again, this is this edition of Cutie and Spookie coloring book. And I think she has other books similar to this. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and if you did, please make sure you hit a like, and I hope you will think about subscribing. So take care, everybody. Bye.